Hello traders, Damien here. Welcome to September 5th and the post-session review. We had a break-even day today. We had 3 trades. All of them were taken out at break-even. So we made a little small profit. I want to show you the transparency here. It's 25. 25 here. Balance 2818 33 2818 33. So we're all on the same page there. And for today's trades, we had a crappy situation today where we really didn't have a properly correcting swing here until later on. So what I did was there was a question on the thread about requalification of order flows, and that's a tricky situation because we always come in trying to do that at the expense of passing up some frequency. The positive side of that is that when you're wrong, you should automatically realign yourself and trade on that. So what I did here was I saw that the price was respecting these most recent swings here, having proper correction. We had a huge projection to the upside here, and it had a very strong correction, and I got long here, and then I got to the break even when price tested up here, and I got taken out. Then I got a very expensive rotation, so I didn't feel comfortable entering because of the risk involved. And then I did get a rotation here, and I finally got one here, and price did cooperate for a little while and then started going back against me. It tested the low of the candle here, tested these lows here of the main swing that we're working with, which triggered a rescue mission, but we're not in a position to add to our trade, so we had to just trail on when we get a positive close. So we ended up losing 1 point there and then gaining a few points on these other ones. So actually it's gained 5 points overall. 5 times 5 is 25. So that's it for the intraday. It was a very choppy, crazy, messed up market during our session. We had some opportunities, but I did not want to trade against the expectation. And once I saw that we were in range, I could have been a little smarter to be more aggressive and take profit off of these areas the price has reacted sharply to, but then I would be breaking my rules. So overall, I'm pleased, and we had a little bit of a profit today. So we're still on our way to recovery. On the longer term, for the sake of transparency, I did get stopped out. I did enter one here, and I entered a little early off of this level that was sold before, and my stop obviously was above this swing here, because if I was right about this potential pattern, then price should not get above this area. Okay, so I got stopped out here, and I'm not going to tell you what I lost because it will probably make all of you cry, but it's part of what we do when we're trading high contracts. And you know, the gains are outrageously good, and the stop losses you know, leave scars a little bit from a account value standpoint, not from an emotional standpoint. But that's pretty much it for the longer term and for the shorter term. Well, good luck and good trading.